Hey everyone, welcome to another Gym Beginner Series episode. Today I'm going to be showing you some of the highest quality proteins, fats, and carbs you can buy at the grocery store. There are plenty of high quality options you can choose from, but I'm only going to be going through a few today. Sweet potatoes are packed with fiber, vitamin A, and antioxidants. They're a great source for slow burning energy, and you can use them to keep your blood sugar steady. You can roast them, mash them, or even throw them in a stew. They're super versatile. Brown rice is a whole grain, meaning it's packed with fiber and other nutrients. It's perfect for pairing with chicken, salmon, or any other protein really. Brown rice keeps you full longer, so it's a great carb choice if you're looking to fuel your workouts or just need a hearty side dish. Quinoa is another great carb option. It's one of the few plant foods that's a complete protein. It's also packed with iron and fiber. You can use it in salads, as a side dish, or even in bowls. Oatmeal is a great option if you need something hearty for breakfast. They're rich in fiber and slow digesting carbs. You can make them into overnight oats or a warm bowl of oatmeal. And you can add berries or nuts for extra flavor and nutrition. Berries are packed with antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins, especially vitamin C. Whether you go for blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries, they're a perfect snack and can make a great addition to your yogurt or oatmeal. They're low in calories, so you can enjoy them while getting a nice boost of nutrients. Bananas are an easy grab-and-go snack. They're rich in potassium and they help with muscle function and keeping your heart healthy. They also give you a quick energy boost thanks to their natural sugars, and you can throw them in smoothies, eat them as a snack, and slice them on top of your oatmeal. You can also opt to get frozen fruit so they don't expire as fast, and they're easy to use, easy to add to smoothies and yogurts. Broccoli is one of those vegetables you just can't go wrong with. It's high in fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants, making it a powerful little vegetable for your immune system. It's perfect for meal prep because it holds up well and it's easy to cook, whether you steam it, roast it, or toss it in a stir fry. Spinach is super versatile and packed with nutrients. It's rich in iron, which is great for your energy levels, and it's full of antioxidants. You can add it to your smoothies, salads, and cook it into almost any meal. It's especially good if you're not a fan of kale, because it's much milder in taste than kale is. Zucchini is a low-calorie vegetable that's perfect if you're looking to add more vegetables to your meals. It's great for roasting, grilling, and even using as a noodle substitute, such as zoodles. It's mild in flavor and pairs nicely with almost any dish. Bell peppers are crunchy, colorful, and packed with vitamin C. Just one bell pepper can give you more than your daily recommended intake of vitamin C. You can add them to salads, stir fries, or even snack on them on the road. And their variety of colors means you get different types of antioxidants. Frozen mixed vegetables are a huge time saver and they're super convenient, and you can keep them on hand for whenever you need a quick side dish or in addition to a meal. Plus they're already chopped and ready to go, so there's no extra prep needed. Nuts like almonds and walnuts are loaded with healthy fats and protein. They're perfect for a quick snack or for adding to meals like oatmeal or smoothies. They're a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, and the fiber in them helps keep you full and satisfied. In addition, you can also opt for some nut butters. Avocados are a good healthy fat. They're packed with monounsaturated fats, which are great for heart health. They're full of fiber, potassium, and vitamins like E and K. You can add them on toast, throw them into salads, and they add a lot of creaminess to dishes. Extra virgin olive oil and avocado oil are heart-healthy fats that are great for cooking, sautéing, or even drizzling over salads. Both oils are excellent for adding flavor and nutrition to your dishes. Chia seeds are high in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. They absorb liquid and create a gel-like texture, which makes them perfect for smoothies, oatmeal, and even chia pudding. They're an easy way to get more fiber and healthy fats into your diet. Almond milk is a great choice for a healthier diet because it's lower in calories, naturally lactose-free, and it's often fortified with essential nutrients like calcium and vitamin D. Unsweetened versions are more beneficial as they contain minimal sugars while providing a creamy, versatile base for drinks, cereals, and recipes. Chicken breast is a lean, versatile protein that's a staple in many kitchens. It's packed with protein, making it great for muscle building, and it's super easy to cook, whether you're grilling it, baking it, or tossing it in a stir fry. You can use chicken breast for all sorts of recipes. It's low in fat, and it's perfect for any healthy eating plan. Salmon is high in protein, and it's loaded with heart-healthy omega-3 fats. These fats help reduce inflammation and keep your heart and brain in tip-top shape. It's also a great source of vitamin D, which is great for your bones and immune system. Eggs are a simple, budget-friendly food that packs a punch. They're a complete protein, meaning they have all the amino acids your body needs, and they're also packed with vitamins. You can boil them for a quick snack, scramble them for breakfast, or throw them into a salad for extra protein. Non-fat Greek yogurt is full of protein and helps keep you full and satisfied. It's packed with probiotics that support a healthy gut. Look for plain unsweetened varieties to keep things clean with no extra sugars. It's perfect for breakfast, as a snack, or even as a base for smoothies. Now that you know some of the highest quality foods you can buy, check out the next episode in this series where I show you some easy recipes you can prepare for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Thanks for watching.